Why am I seeing these heavy padlocks? Heavy padlocks in the realm of the spirit. Whoever locked the door, whoever locked the door, I say you will not enter. Whether it's ancestral, whether it's generational, whether it is spoken, whether it's by libation, whether it's by sacrifice, let it be broken. Let it be broken. Whosoever took an oath with their life that they will not rest until they see you destroyed, that they will not rest until they see you destroyed. Let fire reply. Let fire reply them. Let fire reply them. Wherever is their dungeon of reinforcement, their dungeon of reinforcement, where do they reinforce their wickedness? Dungeon of reinforcement, dungeon of reinforcement, dungeon of reinforcement. Let it be broken. Let it be broken. Let it be broken. Who wrote a script of evil, of shame, of death, concluded it that you will end in shame? Deliverance power of God. Deliverance power of God. Let it be broken. Any family under ancestral bond, let it be broken. Anyone walking with a demonic identity, let it be broken. Anyone under the influence of demons, let it be broken. Anyone under the possession of demons, let it be broken. The Most High has shown up. The Most High has shown up. I announce, let there be light. Let there be light. Let there be light.